connects with Venkateswara, Lord Venkateswara. The first one being that I'm myself a very avid devotee and I go there every year for the last 35 years. The second one is that my elder son is also named Venkatesh because he was born after my wife's first visit to Lord Venkateswara. My mother said that he is a gift of Lord Venkateswara. The third is that my son, younger son, studied economics here in this college. And fourth is, of course, that my Avinash from my village is teaching here, and because of which primarily I'm here today. The subjects that you people have chosen for today's this model United Nation is a very engaging topics that I have been told are there. But instead of going into each of these topics, I would like to share a few words of my life journey and also to try and motivate you to live a full and complete life. As students, you must strive and do in your life what you enjoy doing, and also you must inculcate in your life journey an element of service to the people of this country. Whatever vocation you may be in, if you are able to serve the people in some form or the other, I can assure you that is the most satisfying thing that you will ever do in your entire life, apart from earning whatever you do or earning whatever respect that you get in your life. I started my career as an officer in the Steel Authority of India Limited. I was selling steel for 9 years. But I always wanted to do law. I had nobody in the legal profession in my family, but I had a friend whose father was the Chief Justice of the Patna High Court, and we used to play tennis together. And I had always dreamed that I'll be a lawyer someday. Because of which I studied law, but I got into this job while I was in the first year of law. And destiny had it that I worked for 9 years in Steel Authority. But at the back of my mind, I always had that nagging feeling of coming back to law. And after 9 years of service, I joined this service at a very young age, at 20 years. That time, the only few appointments used to come at 20, rest everywhere else you had to be 21 to apply. And everybody said that, no, you're making a big mistake. You have a huge career in this organization. And by resigning now, you will be destroying a very good career and getting into a very uncertain event. But before I resigned, I went to meet Mr. Lal Narayan Sinha. He used to be the Attorney General then for quite some time. He was known to our family. And I said that I want to resign and come into law. So he said, yes, very good, should join. I said, sir, but there is a lot of crowd in this profession. There is too many people around. How does one think of succeeding in this profession? And I can never forget his words. After reflecting for a couple of seconds, he said, भीड़ नीचे है ऊपर खाली है. And that is true for every vocation. When you want to join whatever work you do, if you strive in excellence, if you want to bring in something very unique in that particular, either a job or a calling or a profession or a business, you are bound to succeed, you are bound to go up. There is always vacancy at the top. Today, you're discussing a model United Nations, and the principals have very rightly said, ultimately, United Nations means the art of diplomacy. And one of the very important lessons that I'm sure you'll get out of this model United Nations, summit would be that you will learn the art to give and take. And when we live in one of the world's largest democracy, the most important thing that we learn in our democracy is the art to give and take. To respect everybody else, at the same time to bring out your views, your values, your issues which you feel strongly about in your own very respectful way. Respect the other person, of his views, his values, and then try and generate a consensus. I think that is something which is a very important lesson that I'm sure you'll all get out of this 2 day summit that you have. I'm very happy that your college is doing this the summit of this. I believe so many students have come from all over the country, and I wish the summit a lot of engaging success. I was not well today. I had actually thought of canceling, but I thought that let me just at least take 5-10 minutes time and speak my views with you and try and motivate you not only for this session but also for your life, to do well in life, enjoy your work, and to do good to others. You just follow this mantra, and the last but not the least, believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself and you feel that you can do it, whatever it be, if I could join the legal profession after 9 years of selling of steel and make it in this profession, I'm sure anybody in this hall today can get into any work and go to the top of that ladder. So I wish all of you the greatest of success for this Model United Nations, and I hope that you will have a very, very enlightening and engaging outcome of these 2 days. Thank you.